Imagine you're in a boardroom. Your company has just finished making an AI model. Hours of research, petabytes of data, and millions in GPU time. Now you want to migrate to the cloud. And a question arises. There's too much data for fiber optic transmission. You have petabytes of data, right? What do we do? And someone answers hesitantly, ship it by road. That is essentially what happened at AWS. They built something called the AWS snowmobile. It was a 45-foot ruggedized shipping container designed to transfer up to 100 petabytes of data per trip to the cloud. Now imagine an AI company like OpenAI in its early scaling phases. They've collected internet-scale datasets, model archives spanning tens of terabytes each. Now, transferring all of that over fiber optic cable at that time would have taken close to a decade. Yes, a decade. Meanwhile, a truck could do that in weeks. A single snowmobile could hold as much as 100 petabytes. That's roughly the scale of entire social media companies' worth of uploads. To make it relatable, take Instagram. Posts, stories, reels, everything. Months of worldwide Instagram uploads would amount up to 100 petabytes. That's the amount of data sitting inside one truck. So here's how it worked. AWS would pull up to a data center, they'd hook up this giant storage container to a local network. The data would transfer at insane internal speeds. After completion, the storage container would be armored in like 24/7 security cameras, GPS tracking, literal physical escorts. Your data would move in a convoy. And when the truck would reach the AWS center, they would take out the data center, like storage unit, and integrate it into the cloud ecosystem. Yeah. And here's the funny part. People think it's like a wild innovation AWS has come up with, but it's not. Like it has been the trend to transfer like large amounts of data, like comparative to the times, since like 1950s. Like here's an image from 1956 where they're transferring like 5 megabytes on an entire aircraft. And yeah, it would cost a lot of money to rent that. Launched in 2016, the snowmobile was retired in early 2024. It was replaced by a smaller, more compact form factor like the AWS Snowball Edge. It was a briefcase storing 80 terabytes, less dramatic than a 45-foot container.